Welcome to SL Baina English. I am Sumalata, GVMC School Arpipeta. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay. Learn easily direct indirect speech. Today we are going to learn direct indirect speech. Okay. What is direct speech? What is indirect speech? Direct speech is a form of sentences which used to reporting something that's being said now. Direct speech also used to talk each other. For example, she said, I like a mango. This is direct speech. Okay. Direct speech is a means of expressing the content of statements, questions or other utterances by quoting them. It is in quotation marks. Okay. That speech. Indirect speech is a means of expressing, means of expressions. Indirect speech is a means of expressing the content of statements, questions or other utterances without quotations. Okay, as is done in direct speech. In direct speech, two are speaking each other. But when third person is telling about that words, that is indirect speech. Okay. As examples, here given, he said, comma, quotation marks begin, I am coming. This is direct speech. He said that he was coming. It is indirect speech. In this video, I tell the rules for changing easily the direct into indirect. First rule is remove comma and quotation marks. Okay. Second one is if the sentence is statement, identification for this is full stop and the subject will begin with the subject. Okay. Then we should use the conjunction that. This is second rule. Once again I tell you, if the sentence is statement or declarative sentence, then we should use the conjunction that. Third one, if the sentence is imperative, then we should use to as the conjunction. To. We should use to as the conjunction. Once again I tell you, if the sentence is imperative sentence, then we should use to as the conjunction. Fourth one, if the sentence is question and starts with a helping verb or auxiliary verb, then conjunction will be if or whether. For easy using, if only we use. Okay. Fourth one, if the sentence is question and starts with a helping verb or auxiliary verb, then conjunction will be if or whether. Okay. Fifth rule, if the sentence is question and starts with interrogative word or question word, WH question word, then no other conjunction is used, only that question word is used as conjunction. Okay, once again I tell you, if the sentence is question, starts with interrogative word or question word, then no other conjunction is used, only that question word or interrogative word is used as a conjunction. Okay. Sixth rule, I, me, I, my, me that are present in quotation marks will be changed according to the person who is telling. I, my, me which are present in the quotation marks will be changed according to the person who is telling the words. Okay. Seventh one, you, your will be changed according to the person to whom he is telling. Once again I tell you, you, your will be changed, that is in quotation marks, okay, which are present in quotation marks will be changed according to the person to whom is telling. Okay. Eighth one, when the sentence is statement, then reporting word said to is changed to told. When the sentence is statement, that is with full stop, and then start with the subject. Okay. Then reporting word said to is changed to told. Okay. Ninth one, when the sentence is imperative, the reporting word said to will be changed to requested or ordered. Okay. Once again I tell you, when the sentence is imperative, the reporting word said to is changed to requested or ordered. Conjunction 2. Okay. I think you remembered that. 10th one, when it is question, said to will be changed to asked. Okay. Whether it is started with the helping verb or the question word. Anything. When it is question, said to will be changed to asked. Okay. Next rule, present tenses will be changed to past tenses. Present tenses will be changed to past tenses. Next one, adverbs of time will be changed. Adverbs of time will also be changed. This to that, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, now, then, yesterday, the day before. Okay. Once again I tell you, adverbs of time will also be changed in the quotation marks, which are present in the quotation marks. Okay. This to that, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, now, then, yesterday, the day before. Okay. In the next video, we will learn how to change the direct into indirect. I tell the rules, so learn them. See the video once or twice and then learn them. Tomorrow we'll meet. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.